Okay, so over here we have a lion's tail. Big lion's tail. You can see why it's called a lion's tail. But soon the lion's tail is going to shrink. Just give me a minute. Oh, crunchy. Can't believe how crunchy it is in the bottom. It's almost like a lot of weed. It's like a vine growing straight up out of the ground.
It is, isn't it? Shaped like a vine too.
Yeah. That was a lot of it, I reckon. Well, definitely a lot that's been cut already. There's a lot of dead ones just sitting in there. There's a lot of tennis balls in here. They're everywhere. 1, 2, 3, 4, I can see 5.
I took 6 the other day. Chuck them over the fence.
Yeah. Oh, they'll have a lot there then.
These are great, aren't
Yeah, it's crunchy. The only parts that are tough are the ones with the actual green on them. All the rest is sort of just dies off, I think. Looks like there's almost 2 here, you know? I think there's 2.
Two little ones.
That was like one there, and then there's another one beside it. Might have been three yet. I hope the snake's not in there, he's flat now. Just watch it off.
You're going for a while, aren't you?
Yeah, it's scary in here. There's an actual soccer ball too. Not only is there small balls, there's full soccer balls. I see how many I can put in the file here. Yeah, I feel like there's three. There's one there and one, two there.
Bloody big then.
Huh?
No wonder it's so big.
Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Self-feeded off self to make another one over here, I reckon. Got bigger and bigger. Well, I'll just make it look reasonable, and then I'll start dragging it out so that no, it can all go on the trailer in one go, so that it doesn't leave a massive mountain there. Before I go any further, I'll start to take away the rubbish and make sure it all goes on the trailer. Then I'll just come back and take the rest away. There we go. There, look at that. What I thought was one was actually three.